just want to show you my St. Patty's table. I meant to get this loaded up before, but I'm taking it down today because we're doing the spring table. But a little bit about the table is, I got the flowers in the middle, and these are wine glasses that were given to me by a friend that lives in Philadelphia. Oh, it's a hey Molly. Molly, say hey. They're hand painted and they are just beautiful. I can't remember the name of one of the little confettis on it, but it's just a beautiful glass, and I put those on there. And then I've got these cups, and these says Irish coffee, and my mother gave these to me many years ago, and it has a recipe for Irish coffee on it, and I put those on the table as well. And then I have plain glasses, and then at Target I bought these. These are like, let me put Molly down. It's like 3 pieces of wood with raffia around it. I just lay those down on the table around this vase. And then on the table, as you can see, and you might want to pan around, come over here and see, these are little, little St. Patty's and all kinds of little, the 4-leaf or 3-leaf clovers. But that just shows you a little bit about the table and what I did for this season, or for this year for St. Patty's. But wanted to show you that, and then when I get the spring put together, and this vase was hand painted, and as you can see, it has all kinds of little things on it, and there's a ladybug there, but my friend Junebug, which I love dearly, she's no longer with us, but that was her vase, so I got that from her. But anyway, love you guys. Thanks for subscribing. Please comment. Let me know how you like seeing this or what I put out on YouTube. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye.